This Berkshire Hathaway Home Services Towne Realty property video is presented by Olivia Sawyer. Pristine, updated, 3-bedroom home in the heart of Whittaker's Mill. Fantastic floor plan featuring first floor living with a sizable primary suite, spa-like bath and walk-in closet. Open and airy living room with a full stone fireplace flows easily into the updated kitchen with all new appliances and an amazing walk-in pantry with updated shelving. Fun, new tile complements the powder room across from the garage with new epoxy flooring. Upstairs, 2 well-sized bedrooms share a huge loft/secondary living room and another full bath. Walk-in, floored attic is spacious enough for all your needs. Outside, this immaculately landscaped yard features a new paver patio, walkway, fire pit, and brand new powered shed. Amazing privacy, fantastic location, you're going to want to move fast on this one. For more information, review the details below.